So guys, Happy Droid Development here. This is just a quick overview of the brand new update for the ParaTek. Now this is the original ParaTek app, the one that was released many years ago. I completely overhauled the user interface. As you can see, it looks much different, but I've tried to keep the key functions that were in the original app, and now doesn't use any sensors at all whatsoever. It's using what's called random entropy, which is just a fancy word for basically randomized. So basically whenever it generates a response, it is completely random and appends that random seed to the actual words list which is built in. It has over 38,000 words built into this application, and that is also true with all the languages. All the languages which are in this update also have the exact same words which are in the English library, but they've been translated into the native language. Say, for example, France, you have Spanish, you have German, you have Italian, you have Portuguese, you have Netherlands, and Filipino as well. The Filipino one doesn't speak. I don't know why. It mustn't support the text-to-speech, but the rest do work as normal. So I'm going to keep on English for now. So when you start the app, you want to go in here and select your language. If you're English, select English. Whatever language you want to use to select it. I just want to show you as well. Let's just put it on French for now. The user manual is also translated as well, so that's quite cool. Everything's translated into the native dialect, and I'm going to put it back to English for now. That's also said with the text-to-speech also translates the spoken word. It also has the accent as well, which I'll demonstrate in a minute as well. So let's just show you how it works. Simply all you do is turn it on.
Scanning started.
Say scanning started. You can speed it up if you like. So if you find it's very slow, you can press the plus button, and you'll notice as well as the color is changing. So that's just showing you the increments of how fast it basically goes. So basically when it's red, that's the maximum setting. Same with if you press minus, it will start drawing off when it's all this cyan color is basically default. And that's the slowest setting there. So let's make it faster for a minute. And you can also interrupt it as well, so you can basically ask your question and then just press the ask button.
Ferry.
And it'll give you the word right away. You can basically spam that button
Orpheus. Althea.
and it'll immediately give you a response based on your questions. That saves you having to wait for to automatically generate the word. And let's go to let's turn it off.
Scanning stopped.
And let's select Italian, for example.
Scansione iniziata.
As you can see, the voice is changed to Italian. It will also say Italian,
Penitenza.
the Italian word bank. Like
Perdono.
So.
Sguardo. Freddo. Scansione fermata.
And as you can see, the language has changed. It's changed to Italian here. It was Spanish. And that's like with any language you check. So let's say German, for example. Go to the user manual, and it's in German. So that just helps you guys out. If you're not a native English speaker, you can pick whatever language is available. Now there is only 8 languages at the minute. I will try to add more. I have to see which ones are available for the text-to-speech to work. Otherwise it's pretty much pointless. But as you can see, it doesn't matter what language you pick. It's showing up in this. This is basically the session log here. So if you find a word that's in here, you can copy the entire all the text is in this window here. So all you have to do is press this button here, and it copies it to the clipboard. As you can see up the top here, it's a copy there, and you can then paste that into any document you like, text document, PDF, whatever you want. You can even post it on Facebook, whatever you want. That text is then copied into your clipboard. You can then save it to wherever you want. And that's basically it. So every time you reset the app, this window does clear. You can also clear it from this button here, and that'll reset back to when you first started the app. So every time you set that, it will simply reset the whole app back to how it was. So that's basically it. It's a very simple update. I've tried to keep it looking like the original ParaTek, if that makes sense. I know the original one did have like sensor readouts and stuff like that. I've took all that away just to simplify the application and make it a little bit more user friendly. This will also work on tablets, etc. The screen won't be blurry on tablets and things like that because it's basically it's been created in Android Studio, and it's been ported from the App Inventor one, which was the older version. And that's basically, guys, I'm going to leave it there because I'm waffling on, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.